Hey everyone, we're gonna be opening up the Charizard Ex Box. I am so excited to open this up. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna be... Here's a really good foiled card, Charizard Ex. And the really big Charizard Ex card, foiled. And then first we're gonna open up the Evolutions Blastoise booster pack. So let's open it up. These are hard to open. Okay, I got it now. So we got Poliwag, we've got Tangela, we've got Voltorb, we've got Energy, we've got an Onyx, we've got a Sealy. Whoa! We got a Pidgeot! Okay, that's gonna go here. Full art. Really impressing. Next up, we're gonna open up this second Evolutions pack. Let's dive into it. We have a Magikarp, we have an Electabuzz, we have Vulpix, we have Rattata, we have an Energy, we have an Energy again, we have a Duschtio, we have a Switch, we have a Nidoran, and a Pidgeot Spirit Link. Now we're going to open up the Steam Siege pack. We've got Litwick, we've got a Hoppip, we've got a Meowth, Chimchar, Nosepass, Fluffy, Fletchinder, Pokemon Ranger, Klefki, and a Holo Xerneas. It's gonna go here. And the last one, Fates Collide. Okay, we've got a Bronzor, Riolu, Jigglypuff, Meowth, Pinnacle, Superior, that's gonna go here. Even a Zygarde that's gonna go here. And our Charizard Ex fell. We have Mega Catcher, we got Braixen, and an N. Okay, thank you everyone for watching.